because that person was a peer of who they're selling to up until 6, 12, 18, 24 months ago. So they know exactly how departments are organized, what makes them tick. They know all the jargon, they know all the shtick, they know all the runaround, they know all the games that they play. And that person has credibility. Does that mean that they don't need you? No, but your role may be shifting, the center of gravity may be shifting, because without that person, your deal is likely dead in the water. So this is why having that person sitting next to you gives you superpowers. This is why when you enter the room without that, you may get eviscerated pretty quickly. Sarcasm, rolling eyes, ghosting, condescension, whatever you want to call it. But the reality is there's a huge, huge reason why so many companies throughout the data center industry are increasingly hiring career IT professionals and career engineers onto revenue teams, even if that person has never, ever, ever been on a commercial team before, because they know that in a self-driven buyer's journey, this is the last chance for them to get in early and often to educate and build trust when they show up with a peer. So